Deep in the heart of England sits a 16th century watermill called Coates Mill. Here, a team of artisans
It's gonna look so pretty.
design, craft,
Wow, that looks good.
and style the most important room in the house.
It's the starting point as a kitchen designer. How are we going to deliver on this person's dreams?
It isn't always easy,
No, not going to work.
but directors Helen Parker and Paul O'Leary, alongside managing director Robin McClellan,
We want to make something that's beautiful and practical.
are determined to make their clients' dreams come true.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
It's incredible.
No matter how long you do this game. I feel like, well, I've seen everything now, but if you haven't.
All for the love of kitchens.